Hello and welcome to this episode of Sunday Special. Today I have a very special story for you. Once upon a time there were two frogs. These two frogs were very good friends. One day there was a bright sunny morning and they were playing and jumping in a field, and they saw there was a bucket kept in the field. Now these two frogs were very curious to know what's inside the bucket, so they went near the bucket but could not see what's inside. So they decided, let us jump inside the bucket and see. So they both jumped in the bucket, and the bucket had milk in that, and they started drowning. So they tried to come out of the bucket, but the sides were very slippery, so they could not. They kept on swimming and trying, but they could not come out of the bucket. After trying for a few hours, one of the frogs said, it is not useful to keep on trying. We are anyways going to drown and die, so there is no use of trying this hard. Let us just stop trying and let us drown and die. The other frog said, no, I will try till my last breath, so keep on trying, keep on swimming, keep on trying to come out of the bucket. So they again tried, and they again started swimming and trying to come out of the bucket for few more hours. After some hours, the first frog again said, see, I told you, there is no use of trying. Let us just drown and die. We will not be able to come out of this milk bucket. The second frog said, no, let us still try. But then the first frog said that, I'm not going to try. I know the fate. I know I'm going to die. So he stopped trying. He drowned and he died. The second frog was very sad to see his friend die in front of him, but he was determined. He said, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to try, and until my last breath I will keep on trying. So he kept on swimming. He kept on trying to come out of the bucket. Now after few more hours, the milk started turning into butter because of the churning action. So the milk started developing butter, and because now it was very thick, the butter was thick, and the frog could climb over it, and he finally managed to come out of the bucket. And this is what happens with us. Sometimes we have a lot of difficulties. Sometimes we are in a very difficult situation. The only thing you have to do is keep on trying, keep on trying, keep on trying. And one thing is certain, if you do not give up and keep on trying, one day you are definitely going to come out of that situation. So I hope this will give you a lot of motivation and inspiration, and I will meet you in the next episode of Sunday Special. Thank you for watching.